In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get free API keys for your project step by step. Let's jump right in. We'll start with NVIDIA. NVIDIA gives you access to a variety of powerful models, and yes, you can generate API keys at no cost. Inside the Models section, you'll find options such as Nemotron 3, OpenFold, QN30B, DeepSeek v3, 𝐂𝐭 and even newer releases like Mistral. To create your key, click on Get API Key, then choose Generate Key. Once it's created, copy it and use it in your application. If you prefer ready-made code, head back to the Models area and pick any model you want. For this demo, I'll select 𝐂𝐭. Click on View Code, and you'll see an option to create an API key directly from there. After generating it, the platform provides a code snippet you can simply copy and paste into your project. You can also remove unused keys anytime to keep things organized. Next, let's talk about Grok. Grok is known for its impressive speed, especially in the playground. You can interact with models like Llama and others directly from there. To generate an API key, click on the API Keys section, then choose Create API Key. Give it a name, verify, and press Submit. Your free API key will be ready instantly. Copy it and integrate it into your app. If you ever need to delete it, just click Delete. You can also check your dashboard to monitor usage, limits, logs, and other activity. Now let's move to GitHub Models. GitHub provides access to several advanced models similar to the OpenAI ecosystem, and there's a free tier available, though it comes with some rate limits. To generate a token, open the model you want and click Use this model in the top right corner. Then select Create Personal Access Token. Scroll down and click Generate Token. After confirming, your access token will be created. You can repeat the process anytime to create additional tokens, and you can revoke them whenever necessary. Next up is Google AI Studio. Google offers a broad collection of models, including text, image, vision, and even video capabilities. Go to the dashboard and select Create API Key. You'll need to connect it to a Google Cloud project. If you don't have one, simply create a new project. Once everything is set up, click Create Key, and your API key will be generated. Copy it and plug it into your application. You can delete or regenerate keys whenever needed. Google provides models like Gemini Pro, Gemini Nano, Flash, as well as Imagen for image generation and Veo for video creation. So definitely explore those options. Moving on to OpenRouter. OpenRouter acts as a hub that aggregates multiple LLM providers in one place. You'll find models from Anthropic, xAI, OpenAI, Google, and more. They categorize them by text, image, and other capabilities, making it easy to compare performance. To get started, head to the dashboard and click Get API Key. Then create API Key. Name it, optionally set a usage limit, and confirm. With this single key, you can access a wide range of models. You can also remove the key anytime from your account settings. Now let's check out Cloudflare Workers AI. This platform offers serverless AI models for various tasks, including text generation, summarization, embeddings, text-to-speech, and object detection. To use it, navigate to the Use API section where you'll find the necessary code examples. Copy the code and integrate it into your workflow. If this method isn't ideal for you, you can always use one of the other services we discussed earlier. Finally, I'll include a main repository that lists many free LLM API resources, both permanently free options and trial-based offers. You'll find all the links in the description, so you can easily access everything without searching around. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.